Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. It's me! And I know it's pretty weird that there are... And I want to quest number. Because I didn't do that quest. But just like, why do I subscribe on my iPod? But, oh wait, I don't have the trailer. But you may wonder, why is there an English person on Star Stable Friends? Because I'm English, though. If it wasn't English, there wouldn't be an English person here. But they asked me on a hangout, and then it was like, okay, I will play Star Stable again. Because I didn't play it for months. Now I played it quite much. So yeah, and I don't know why I'm doing this and stuff. Pretty weird, because I need to go to the trailer, and this has cost me 1 minute. Oh, okay, that. Okay, let's go to fair. Yeah, okay, that's fair. My dad would kill me if he sees me. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go downstairs and say that out of the way. Okay, I'm in Fairgrove. In Fairgrove Villages. Oh, okay, my screen is being annoying. Your left global chat. Actually, it is you left global chat, because your is like, it's yours. The global chat is yours. But it isn't like, I'm not saying like, hey, are you coming over tonight? That's one huge spelling mistake that Star Stable made. That's us. Yeah, like, yeah, okay, I saw that when it's Swedish, because that's the original line, Sweden. It is like, okay. And that's the original one. It's like, everything is okay. No spelling mistakes. But then the English and the Dutch and the Italiano server comes to, so I don't know if you guys heard me. I hope you do. But for repeat, it's a your left global chat. It's like the fire trail. Old Jorvik Highway. Sorry, it's like one huge spelling mistake. It's like, it's you left global chat, because your is like, or it's yours. The global chat is yours, and like, I ain't saying, are you coming over tonight? Or it's just like, or they do it, well, suspended. Or they do it on purpose, like, oh, yeah, okay, your Vig, your left, the global chat, yeah, that's one good thing. Now, like, say, not, why you are E, but, well, okay, but, okay, I was just like, how you spell the first things of Jorvik, G-O, yeah, you see it? Oh, and it disappeared down. Okay, but, yes, there is an English person on this server. And I'm sorry for you hearing the keyboard sounds. It's like, we all record with Screencast-O-Matic, because she said that would be easier to upload, and then you can still play Star Stable. It only takes a little longer. So, but okay, really sad. So it isn't like, oh, okay, I'm the same person. Well, you may think because of our voices. Yeah, they really sound the same. So yes. Still have some videos to upload though. Okay, but oh, whoa! I thought Rania was running there for some reason. Maybe because she looks like Rania. Here. Ginger. What? I know ginger is ginger, but I thought like ginger would be a person with red hair and ginger. But okay, it's up to Star Stable to decide what it is. Like, I think they use Dutch persons to say that. Oh, here we got some. And I thought yeah, okay. I did this yesterday and I only found 3 of them. Oh, yeah, okay, I was right. Like, hey, yesterday I found some here. They may have changed. This is actually pretty much fun to do. Yeah. Oh! I want a backpack like that. Why are you standing on my horse's ass? Oh my god. The other persons are always super cute. Not like my face pops up. Wow. I hate it. But okay. I can't find the ginger. Oh wait. Okay. Oh my god, I lost it. What? Oh, Jorvik Highway, yes I know, I ain't stupid. I'm right here every day. Oh, yuck. God damn it, I didn't want to get... Oh, whoa, she walks fast. I'm really getting annoyed with this. What? I didn't do anything! Sorry, sometimes Star Stable is so laggy, I can just work it. Just need one more. Maybe in here, ginger. No. I didn't think it either. It could be. That would be weird, I don't know. Oh, and now it's again here. Can't you just somebody tell me where it is? Does it even exist on this place? I bet it doesn't, because look, I'm in the right place and I suddenly moves to another place. Here, I see much ginger, but I already have been here. Star Stable. Work on it. Oh, wait, it's here, okay. Wow, okay, I didn't see that. I don't know if I already passed that way, but creation. God damn it! Star Stable, I can always run up there. Oh look, there you have Star Stable persons again. Yay, okay, now I just have to run this way. So, Rania. Not again. I can't find it alone. Like the last time, I couldn't find it. I was like driving rounds and rounds. But okay. I think I know where it is now. Oh wait, yeah, okay, you see already on the map. Here it is, by the bamboo gorge. South Mistopheles Forest. So I just like that, so say the names so I will remind myself of the names. So I know it isn't here. You know? God damn it, I knew there was a place somewhere here that you could go through and then, oh yeah. Don't want to swim. But okay, let's see if I can find a way because it is freaking already being 10 minutes, so I'll see you there. Okay, I found it straight away. Yeah, okay. Dispense the medicated meat to the market locations without getting too close to the wood. I love rules, but you may know it. If you don't know it, just follow me on Google Plus. Julia Kim. Did it come up here? Oh, I thought it was there, just glitching. Really? Look, Rania is just there, and when I walk there, she is nowhere to be found. Okay, let's ride back. Okay, so we're here now. Found it. Oh, she suddenly disappeared. Oh, she's probably in the toll. Don't know, but I think she is. What? There she comes again? Oh no, that's definitely okay. Now it disappeared also. Whoa, her forehead is so bald. Even my forehead isn't that bald. So okay guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. So yes, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye guys. Yeah. Just whoa, I think those are friends. Oh well. So bye guys.